So guys, let us know about drilling, or what is the term meant by drilling. You can write if you want to. Drilling is a process to take out the rocks under the earth is called drilling. Drilling is a process to take out the rocks under the earth. Drilling is a process to take out rocks under the earth is called drilling. Or if you write drilling small hyphen, then you write that it is a process to take out rocks under the earth. That's it, simple, one line. And side by side, mining also works. Drilling and mining. Guys, I think you have watched in movies, or you have seen the pictures, or personally you have visited any mines. So it is quite dangerous work. That means deep under the surface and hazardous work. Skilled workers, they do execute this work by drilling, and that is called mine, where the minerals are found. And to breathe properly, one ventilator, huge ventilator, not only one, there are ventilators for the workers, because otherwise they will have suffocation. There is no air under the surface. That is why the ventilation system, it should be good. So ventilators are there, and this is quite a hazardous job and dangerous and risky job or risky work. So drilling and mining both simultaneously work. And let us come to the quarrying point. It is not such hazardous. Quarrying means, you can write, quarrying is a digging process. Quarrying is a digging process and quite easy, but we need laborers for that. Quarrying is a digging process, but for that we need labor or laborer. So we can say that handful of laborer or a bunch of laborers, they can work this, but it needs labor also simultaneously. Strenuous job, but simple. So it is called quarrying. Handful of workers, handful of laborer, they can do this work only to dig the surface. After that, minerals are found. Later, the drilling, and then mining comes step by step. So that is called quarry. So previous chapter, I didn't touch the previous chapter, because previous chapter I told you when I started my lecture that I will teach you when the school will reopen. It is the chapter, the heading of the chapter is resources and development. And the subtitle, it is the title, and subtitle, that is the land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife reserve or wildlife resources. So this is the subtitle. So in chapter 2 you will study about land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. And this chapter, that is related to the previous chapter, but I have not skipped that. So connection is there, but you have not skipped the main topics of the previous chapter, because I have already clarified. So this is not the complete chapter. This is the part of this chapter, chapter number 3, and the heading of the chapter is minerals and power resources.